So we had a heavy rain and windstorm. So my low trellis here did not hold up all the way. It's a lot better than what it would have been because the winds were pretty high and the rain was very heavy. So I'm gonna go through and do another round. The corn is looking thick and it's starting to tassel. There we go, now you can see it. It's looking good. Overall, the rain was good for everything. You gotta wrap this up again because they're starting to merge into each other. Pepper plant, the hot pepper plants are starting to flower. You can see a flower right there. Gotta do something about those. Gotta stake them. That way they stay upright. Tomatoes are doing really good. And we got some ox hearts going on. They're already pretty big. No blight. It's looking good. It's almost the size of a baseball. We'll probably get a little bit bigger, maybe another inch around, and then start raping it off. We have some more over here. These ain't ox hearts, but I think a beefsteak got snuck in here. And then we got San Marzanos starting to come along. There's one right there. They're starting up. Tomatoes are really starting to flower. Like big time. I'm gonna re-trellis them, wrap them up a little bit more. And they're gonna be doing good. Garlic's getting close to harvest. Not enough yellow leaves yet. Some of these might stay in for next year because they're a little small. So I might just let those go. But my asparagus is growing. That's year 2 for that asparagus. My onions are doing good. So I topped the onions. Like you can see, I topped them to promote bulb growth. Some people say it works, some people say it don't. However, in a little bit of time it's been maybe a week and a half, 2 weeks, the bulbs have definitely grown bigger. Strawberries are doing pretty good. Some more onions for companion plants. Overall, it's looking like a good garden. It's gonna be a good harvest this year, except for the cucumbers. And Nicole's going nuts over the chickens because they're trying to get her feed. Say hey, mother clucker.
Get the fuck back.
But yeah, chickens love the cucumber plants, so they keep getting bit back and put cattle panel up. That doesn't stop. Oh, short of chicken wire, those little bastards are determined. Green beans are doing good. I actually have some green beans growing. Wink. There's an update from Mother Cluckers.